In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Midjourney aspect ratio after the fact. If you've ever generated a great image only to realize the frame doesn't fit your post or thumbnail, this quick workflow will help you reshape it without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the Midjourney web experience and share a few practical tips so your subject stays sharp and centered. First, head to the Midjourney website in your browser and sign in. Using the web interface makes it easy to revisit past generations and make clean edits. Give the page a moment to load your recent work. A strong connection helps the editor feel snappy. Next, select Create. This brings you into the creative workspace where Midjourney organizes your prompts, results, and editing tools. Think of it as your hub for both new images and revisions. Now, locate the image whose aspect ratio you want to change and click it. Opening the image from your gallery ensures the edit is tied to the exact result you liked, style, composition, and seed included, so the look remains consistent. Inside the image view, choose Edit. This opens the editor panel for that specific job. You'll see controls that let you refine the output without discarding the original. It's a non-destructive environment, so you can explore adjustments and still fall back to the starting version if needed. In the editor, select Aspect Ratio. Here you can switch the frame to common formats like Square 1:1, Landscape 16:9, Portrait 9:16, or 4:5 for social posts. Pick the ratio that matches where the image will live. Widescreen for banners and video thumbnails, tall for stories, or square for grid posts. As you change the ratio, watch how the composition adapts. If the subject sits near an edge, a tighter ratio may crop it. A wider one may reveal extra context as the model intelligently extends the scene. Use the preview to check faces, hands, and fine details around the borders. If something feels off, try a slightly different ratio or nudge your choice toward a shape that gives your subject breathing room. Once you're happy, let the editor finish updating the image at the new ratio. The original remains safe in your history, and you now have a version that fits your exact destination. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and tailored to your needs. For best results, decide on a target ratio before you publish and keep a short list of go-to sizes for your channel. Consistency saves time, and with this method, you can reframe any keeper in moments.